Hi guys! Kakatapos ko lang maligo and I'll be sharing with you my new sunscreen. It's a sun care stick with SPF 60+, PA++, and this is also the highest SPF rating in the local market. And if you're confused kung bakit ang dami kong sunscreen, yes po, nag-i-stock po ako ng sunscreen dahil kailangan ko ng on-the-go sunscreen. Sobrang tirik ng araw sa labas, hindi kinakarry ng face ko. And yes guys, I'm loving this sunscreen because it has 4 sunscreen filters and wala rin siyang white cast. May kita nyo siya mamaya pag ina-apply ko na sa face ko. It also blurs out your pores. Meron din siyang satin finish but moisturizing. And ginagawa ko rin pala siyang primer before I apply my makeup. And yes guys, you need to do 4 passes to protect your skin when using a sunscreen stick. I really love the glow when using the sunscreen stick. It's available on Shopee and TikTok. Get yours!